Hello, that's me again. This time I already have an image for you to start working on. My housemate just messaged me saying that my music is too loud and she can hear bass. But I was not listening to anything loud. Anyways, yeah, we have this image, and I quite like this image. I'm still not really sure what I want to do with it. I want to kind of duplicate it a couple of times and just not do anything. I'm joking. Fuck, it's already 9:30. Not good. Let's see. What are our options with this image? So I made this really tasty pulled chicken, and it is so tasty that literally the only thing that I can think about now is that tasty pulled chicken. And I literally just want to go to my kitchen and have another dinner. But as I mentioned, it is nothing else but 9:30. Sorry, my brain is malfunctioning a little bit. Yeah, I'll take time to sort out how I see things, what I'm trying to do, because I never try to do something. I mean, I never plan. I always try. That looks interesting. You see that part? Like, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's go back like this. What about if we do another one and flip horizontal? There's gonna be a lot of heads. I don't like this. I can't. I'm trying to learn how to say I can rather than I can't, in the meaning that I am capable of doing things, but I usually choose the easiest ways, and when it works, it works, When it doesn't, it doesn't. Not always the case. I think that I should force myself to come up with something rather than purely relying on good moods to do things. Because when I'll go back to working, actually, I won't always have a good mood and I will always have to work. So, I guess that's a good thing to practice, Aneta. Let's go to selective color. Let's switch it up. Say switch it up, but it does literally things the same way I always do. Well, that's my part of switching up, You can't blame me on that. What if I would do this? Okay, look, we are getting somewhere. I like these vibes. I don't know why, but I really wanted to put paper textures. Let's find the texture that I want. Fuck, I really want a chicken. I can't stop thinking about it. And that's on me saying, I'm trying not to eat meat. Well, I had meat. Well, I eat chicken. I don't eat. Fuck, I still have ham as well. Oh my god. I'm such a bad person. What if we do this? When I talk with you and when I'm recording, I feel pressured that I'm not finding what I need. Don't tell me, that looks interesting. That does look very interesting. In my opinion, what if I would embed it? Okay, we're onto something. I swear we are onto something. Nah. What about this? Nah. Anyways. There is something off in this edit that I don't understand. I don't understand what is wrong. I don't like this color. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you for fixing all my problems here in situation. You always do that for me. You know, you just press it and then you get the colors that you want. If you don't get the colors that you want, well, then you want wrong colors. No, I'm joking. See, I think we needed to reach this point where we both feel free. Just hanging out here with me while I'm editing. I think it's green. I think I'm thinking, what is this color like? What do you mean it's not green? Oh, it must be yellow. Well, it's not yellow. What is this color? Why are you not changing anything, please? Blue. Ah, no. Oh, no, 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 right? Okay, well, I'm just gonna cry a little bit. Okay, let's put it blue. So we could go here and then... Yeah, yes. We're onto something. We're onto something. I know. I feel it. Let's put a little bit of green because we are all very edgy. Too much green. Too much green is also not good. I don't like her eyes. Well, I don't know what I can do about it though. Why are the eyes so weird? I don't know. Anyways. Oh, it lacks something. I don't know what it lacks. I really like jellyfishes. I really like jellyfishes. I really like jellyfishes. I think we're gonna go with the jellyfish. I'm sorry. For everyone who not expected the jellyfish from... Oh, that, like, look. Jellyfishes looks good. They just look good. I like these unknown, like, creatures. I think it looks cool. I want to cover her face a little bit. Ooh. Like, excuse me? Like, excuse me, what? What are you saying to me? Oh, jellyfishes. Jellyfishes are the best. That doesn't do anything. Okay, so, okay. Oh, why does it look good? Why does it look good? I don't understand. And I don't know if you understand as well, because I don't understand. And I don't know, I'm just gonna stop singing now. I really like these jellyfishes. I think I mentioned that before. Look, we're gonna upload them again because I didn't make a smart object. No, I made it. I don't remember what I put on. It was green? Yeah, I reckon. No, unless I put on something else. Color? No, it's green. So I don't like how it goes on her face to some extent. I don't like it. To some extent I like it. Oh, I really want to listen to what song. Okay, we are done with this music because... Why are we done with this music? Because I'm kind of done with this design, I reckon. I just want to put some, maybe like a book cover. Because why not, you know, like, I can do it. Like, are you gonna tell me not to do it? Oh, no way. Fuck yeah. I like this nonsense. I would be happy with this. I just like this very weird nonsense. I call it nonsense because as a kid, I never used to go to exhibitions and I considered art to be like, I don't know, I never understood it. I still don't get it. That's gonna sound very quirky, but I just feel art. And, well, yeah, I don't get it. I don't follow the rules. I think so. I hope so. And I don't understand what I'm supposed to do. I do what I want to do because that's what I like, and I am definitely influenced by a lot of great artists, and I don't know if they do make any sense with their art, but I genuinely don't care, and if I like it, I like it. How did we end up here? I don't know how we ended up here. Oh, I said that you're not gonna stop me from doing what I want to do. That's it, basically. Thank you. I usually don't talk that much, but surprisingly, I am enjoying this talk. I don't know if anyone else will be enjoying this talk, you know? I know. Can we do rasterized? Then also, because I want the square to be square, you know? I like it. I think I'm done. I might try to change the... Nah, nothing else works. Well, everything works. Everything looks beautiful, I think. It just depends on what you want. Depends on what I want. And I want this. I think we're done. Oh, wait, I'll have to show you before and after because otherwise you won't see the difference. Ain't that beautiful? I think this is beautiful. I love it. If you don't love it, I don't really care. I mean, I do care a little bit because, you know, some posts get a lot of likes, some posts don't get a lot of likes. But at the end of the day, if I wouldn't be enjoying doing this, I wouldn't do it. As long as I am enjoying the process, I kind of won't care about your opinion. I'm doing it for myself. Okay, this is it. I'm done. Bye. I love you all. Toodles.